Hello Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 26th of May. Capricorn, your channel message is the 6 of Swords, the 10 of Wands, curse. I was hearing this pink, you know pink, right? We're talking about who owns the color pink. What about the artist name Pink? I was getting the song, please don't leave me. Da, da, da. You always say how I'm not with you. Da, 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 da. Come right back to this. Please don't leave me. No, Capricorn, you're the devil. Now, the curse of the devil is terrible souls go to hell. And when the souls go to hell, you're supposed to punish them. They go one of the 7 rings of hell. And they're binded to hell. But me getting at the devil, the 6 of Swords talk about transition or leaving. The 10 of Wands talk about stress and curse. Me getting everybody who you're with Capricorn, them abandon you. Now, of course, people are scared of the devil. The devil bind you. The devil usually on very, very high psychedelics or drugs. And the devil obsessive, stalkish. Now, I don't know if every time you get a boyfriend or a girlfriend, you control them, you stalk them. Maybe your boyfriends or your girlfriends feel clustered. But me getting you saying, but me not cheat on you. Isn't that what you want? I'm with you. Me give you every single thing. Yes, me have fucked up ways. Yes, me might be toxic. Yes, me might do drugs. But me not gonna cheat on you because the devil bind people together. So me getting you saying, please don't leave me. Now maybe Capricorn, you scared the shit out of somebody, meaning that you're the devil. But me getting you saying, yeah, but me not leave you, me not gonna leave you. Isn't that what being together is about? It doesn't matter if we fight or argue, and it doesn't matter if we call each other names. We're not supposed to leave each other. Perhaps even though you promise not to leave somebody, being the devil card, me getting the words that you said to somebody made them feel like you never wanted them. And you might be like, no, we were just arguing. The devil tempted us and we're arguing. It didn't mean that I wanted to leave you. It didn't mean I wanted you to leave. Well, your words made somebody feel that way. That's why they left. Maybe your words cut them so deep, they're like, I can never come back from this. Me can't. Every time I look at your face, I think about the horrible things you said to me. But Capricorn, you're like, but I'm the devil. I say shitty things. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. 6 of Swords, 10 of Wands, curse. Okay? Let's go. We have the 5 of Swords coming out first, Capricorn. Yeah. I'm getting, it's what you said, Capricorn. Something you said really cut somebody deep. I'm not sure if I don't know, maybe somebody made a comment about how you look. Maybe they made a comment about you being clingy. I'm getting you said something right back to hurt the person's feelings. The 5 of Swords, in the moment you wanted them to feel as bad as you felt, okay? We have the King of Swords. I'm getting something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have the Death card. We have the Knight of Swords, and we also have the Queen of Wands. We have the Lovers card, which is Gemini energy. Now, the 5 of Swords, King of Swords, Death. Now, this could also be you and somebody had a huge argument and them stormed off. Me getting while them left. Me getting you and somebody had an argument and them died. Me getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman who had a big argument. Me getting the man said something to you so repulsive, so nasty. Maybe the man did threaten you. Or, I don't know if you told somebody for themselves, like go yourself. Maybe you said that to somebody and somebody actually did it. Because me getting right after you and this person had an argument, them left. And probably them left and them was in a car crash. Now, if that's not it, me getting somebody who you was with is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Me getting him very, very verbally abusive to you. Me getting him make you feel like you is nothing. And me getting the last conversation you and this man have. Me don't know if him told you forgot yourself or him said the most nastiest things about you. And me getting him crash and dead. Now, I don't know if somebody in the hospital and them expect you to come visit them, but me getting the last time you saw them, it was a big argument. Now, maybe somebody's coming back and saying, I want to change my ways. I never meant it. Because me getting somebody said something them can't come back from. The King of Swords is white, the Queen of Wands is black. Maybe somebody call you a nigger. Maybe somebody call you a monkey. And you're saying, should I really be back with this person? And you might say, you know what, it wasn't that bad because bitches get cheated on all the time and they go back to their baby daddy. Girl, worse if them say it behind your back. The Five of Swords clarified by the Moon card, yeah. Me getting what them said behind your back or something about they were talking to a Pisces. Me getting the man who you was dealing with him I talked to this Pisces woman about you. Maybe somebody was getting information on you for use against you for hurt you. Me getting somebody is very fucking spiteful though. Me getting literally somebody was trying to get you to commit suicide. Literally. But me getting you said something to them what tear them apart. The King of Swords is clarified by the Ten of Cups. Yeah, maybe you said something about someone's father. You said something about their mother. Me getting a Pisces. The Moon card is Pisces. The Ten of Cups is Pisces. Me getting something about this man I work with a Pisces woman. Perhaps the man was already in a relationship and he was leading you to believe that he wanted something with you. Me getting him was already in a relationship with a woman already. Perhaps somebody was supposed to break your heart. The Death card is clarified by the Page of Swords. Okay, me getting something about the car crash is staged. Me getting something staged. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Lover's card, that's Gemini. And the Queen of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Cups. Yeah, something staged. The Devil card. Capricorn, that's you. Me getting somebody I deal with, because look, the end in the reading is the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Me getting two women, one black, one white. The Gemini is white. Me getting Gemini, I work with one Pisces woman. I'm not sure what this is. Me don't know if somebody's supposed to make you feel. Me don't know. Cause this could be like a white couple showing you how, look at us as a white couple and we're so lovey-dovey with each other and you're black and you can't find a black person to be the same way with you. Maybe somebody I try to use race in this. But me getting the Pisces woman is the one who envy you. Me getting she envy you. So me getting this man who are coming, him and have sex, beginning a Gemini. Him a come in and have sex with you. But me getting him secretly I talk to this Pisces woman. Me don't know if the woman want hurt you. Me don't know if the woman sexually attracted to you. Maybe him wanted you and this woman to be in an altercation about him. But me getting him definitely working with a Pisces. Him a talk to a Pisces. Everything the Pisces tell him I use it against you. Maybe him see that him can't hurt you for whatever reason him want to hurt you for. So me getting him I go send a girl towards you. So maybe him can damage you as much as him want to. Him I go send a Pisces woman for do it now. So me getting you and this woman I go meet. You and this woman supposed to be in some type of argument or talking about this Gemini man. Cause me getting him have a woman already, him have kids already, him with a Pisces woman already. But me getting for some reason this Pisces woman is stalking you. Me don't know if her man is cheap on her with you. I know she not check the man who fuck on her. She want check the girl who fuck her man. Insecure bitches. Insecure bitches, I'm telling you. This bitch is so insecure. She forgave her man for fucking on her, but she want come for you because you fuck her man. You're a home wrecker, sweetie. I wasn't home. Perhaps he should have put a tracker on him car for know whose home him was. Cause I'm getting a conversation that happen between you and this woman. I'm getting a white woman and a black woman talking about some shit. Like she's coming to you. You're breaking up a happy home. Did he not tell you that he was married? Did he not tell you he had kids with me? No. If he did, I probably wouldn't fuck him. And he knew that too. That's why he didn't tell me. So she want to check you about her man fucking on her. Bitch, bye. We have the soul was sold. We have Illuminati. Come getting the couple a stalk you. The couple a try. I don't know what the couple a try do, but I'm getting it now work. Maybe because they don't give a fuck. Maybe they didn't think about that part. We have Virgo. And we also have Shark. Yeah. Me don't know. We have Illuminati. Me getting the man want you and this girl in a one argument over him. No, me don't know if the man is talking about the girl coming towards you, then you and the girl being friends, and then that's how him can incorporate. First of all, me getting maybe the man and the Pisces was in an argument, or the man and the something was happening with this Gemini man and a Pisces woman, and him step out on her for hurt her. Because with the Page of Swords and the Death card here, me literally getting you were supposed to set up somebody to them death. Like this couple. I feel like them are gonna send a woman towards you now. Like the man did all him could. Me don't know if the man are gonna leave the woman. Because we have the Five of Swords and the Moon card. That means you was spiting a Pisces woman for whatever reason. Maybe you was with her long term. I don't know what happened. But we getting when you get this black girl involved in this white couple relationship. And me getting no. I don't know if the girl's supposed to come check you on her man. Sweetie, even if that man fuck a dog, you're going to be with him. Believe me. The black girl with her black tea and her black shade of will not stop your man from fucking on you. You should know that. So this bitch thought that she ate coming for you. Sweetie, maybe the problem is you're eating too fucking much. You might need to step on that scale. I'm going to leave it here, Capricorn. Yeah. So until next time, bye.